Commonly, a support trust pays for what is necessary to support the trust's beneficiaries. But if the beneficiaries can support themselves, does the trust still pay for their support? The Arkansas Supreme Court explored this question in Wells v. Sanford. Nora Wells was declared incompetent. Elvan Sanford was appointed as her guardian. Nora's son, Hiram Wells, prepared a will, stating that if Nora was alive when Hiram died, Hiram's entire estate would be placed in a support trust for Nora, with Sanford as the trustee. Hiram's instructions stated that the trust's assets would be used as necessary for Nora's support and maintenance. If the trust had any assets when Nora died, those remaining assets would go to Sanford and Sanford's wife. Similarly, if Nora died before Hiram, Hiram's estate would go directly to Sanford and Sanford's wife. Hiram died before Nora. Hiram's estate went into a trust for Nora's benefit. At that time, Nora owned some real property of her own. Nora was in a nursing home and owed the home approximately $24,000 for her care. As Nora's guardian, Sanford petitioned the probate court to sell Nora's property to pay the nursing home bill. Nora's two living children, J.C. Wells and Irene Bain, objected, arguing that Sanford should use the trust's assets to pay for Nora's support before selling Nora's own property. The court appointed a new guardian for Nora. Sanford remained the trustee of the support trust for Nora. The probate court found that Hiram's will implied that Hiram had intended to help Nora if she didn't have other options and needed help, to benefit Sanford, and not to benefit his own siblings. If Hiram's estate were used for Nora's support first, that would mean more inheritance from Nora's estate for the siblings, whom Hiram didn't intend to benefit. In contrast, if Nora used her own resources first, and Hiram's estate were used only if Nora truly needed it, that would allow Hiram to help care for Nora if necessary and benefit Sanford, which would fulfill Hiram's intentions. The probate court ruled that the trust instructions should be interpreted consistently with Hiram's implied intentions, which meant that the trustee should make payments for Nora's support only if Nora had no resources of her own. J.C. and Irene appealed the decision to the Arkansas Supreme Court.